Imagine whipping up a full family meal in half the time, with crispy, golden results that taste like they came from a deep fryer, without the guilt or mess. This ChefRobot Dual Air Fryer 8-quart with TFT Touch Screen is here to transform your cooking experience, solving everyday kitchen challenges with its innovative design and non-toxic, family-friendly features. Whether you're a busy parent, an RV camper, or a home chef who loves hosting, this dual basket air fryer is your ticket to healthier, faster, and tastier meals. Let's dive into why this air fryer is a game changer for your kitchen. Solving your cooking woes. Cooking for a family or a group can feel like juggling flaming torches. One kid wants crispy fries, another demands chicken nuggets, and you're craving a perfectly roasted veggie side, all at the same time. Traditional cooking methods mean multiple pans, endless cleanup, and hours spent in the kitchen. The ChefRobot Dual Air Fryer 8-quart tackles these problems head-on. Its dual basket design lets you cook 2 dishes simultaneously, saving time and ensuring everyone gets their favorite meal. Plus, its non-toxic, non-stick baskets mean healthier cooking with up to 85% less oil and a breeze to clean afterward. Say goodbye to greasy pans and hello to stress-free, guilt-free cooking. Why the ChefRobot Dual Air Fryer stands out. This isn't just another kitchen gadget. It's a versatile, family-sized powerhouse designed to make your life easier. Here's why the ChefRobot Dual Air Fryer 8-quart is a cut above the rest. Dual basket brilliance. With 2 4-quart baskets, you can cook 2 different dishes at once without flavor mixing. Make crispy wings in one basket and roasted sweet potatoes in the other, all ready at the same time thanks to the sync finish feature. Perfect for picky eaters or large gatherings. Healthier cooking. Made simple. Using advanced rapid air circulation technology, this air fryer delivers crispy, golden results with little to no oil. Enjoy your favorite comfort foods with up to 85% less fat, making it ideal for health-conscious families. Non-toxic and safe. The non-stick baskets are BPA-free and made with food-safe materials, giving you peace of mind when cooking for kids or sensitive eaters. No worrying about harmful chemicals leaching into your meals. Effortless cleanup. The dishwasher-safe baskets and removable parts make post-meal cleanup a snap. Spend less time scrubbing and more time enjoying your delicious creations. Intuitive TFT Touch Screen. The user-friendly TFT digital display comes with 10 preset cooking modes for chips, wings, chicken, fish, roast, pizza, cake, egg tart, sweet potatoes, and defrosting. Even beginners can cook like pros with just a tap. Customizable cooking. Adjust temperatures from 100 degrees Fahrenheit to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and set cooking times from 1 to 60 minutes. Whether you're air frying, roasting, baking, or dehydrating, this air fryer handles it all with precision. Family-sized capacity. The 8-quart total capacity is perfect for families of 4 or more, making it a go-to for weeknight dinners, RV camping, or hosting friends. Compact yet mighty. Despite its large capacity, the sleek design fits neatly on countertops, making it ideal for kitchens, RVs, or apartments with limited space. Who's this air fryer for? The ChefRobot. Dual Air Fryer 8-quart is perfect for busy families. Feed a family of 4 or more with ease, catering to different tastes without extra effort. RV campers. Its compact design and large capacity make it ideal for cooking delicious meals on the road. Health-conscious cooks. Those who want to enjoy fried foods with less oil and no toxic coatings. Entertainers. Impress guests with perfectly cooked dishes, from appetizers to desserts, all made in one appliance. Beginner cooks. The intuitive TFT touch screen and presets make cooking foolproof, even for those new to the kitchen. A few considerations. No product is perfect, and the ChefRobot Dual Air Fryer has a couple of minor drawbacks. Its large 8-quart capacity means it takes up more counter space than smaller models, so measure your kitchen or RV countertop before purchasing. Some users have noted a slight learning curve with the touchscreen presets, but the included recipe booklet and intuitive design make mastering it quick and easy. These are small trade-offs for the versatility and performance this air fryer delivers. Why you should buy now. The ChefRobot Dual Air Fryer. 8 Quart is more than just an appliance, it's a lifestyle upgrade. It solves the chaos of family meal prep, delivers healthier versions of your favorite foods, and makes cleanup a breeze. Whether you're cooking for a crowd, meal prepping for the week, or enjoying a quiet dinner in your RV, this air fryer delivers consistent, delicious results every time. With its non-toxic materials, family-sized capacity, and user-friendly design, it's a kitchen investment that pays off in time, health, and flavor. If you enjoyed this rev,